What is dew point? Here's the simple truth. Have you heard of side hustles? But here's something different. Dew point. You earn 55 Rand per paid product, not per person. You don't get paid to recruit people. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need any joining fees or risk. This system is backed up by licensed providers like Santam, Sanlam, Old Mutual, etc. And Dew point is a licensed FSP 50318. Now, my name is Lynette Badenhorst. I'm an independent contractor with Dew point, and I'm using this 9-year-old proven system since 2016. I help entrepreneurs, professionals, and business owners to create a recurring income without selling a thing, so that they can get debt-free, stress-free, and can start working on their bucket lists or even retirement. If you are still curious, comment freedom and I'll explain to you how it works. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.